This is for tutorial 6 and task 1. So the code is mostly given. And so when you start this microcontroller, when you part it up, it will directly collect the samples over here. You can see it will be printed to the serial monitor. So the thing is, before you are ready to part it up, or before you reset it over here, or rerun it, you want to turn on your the human whistle. You can also whistle through your better self, but if you couldn't do it really well, you could also use a YouTube channel. I just searched online and found out this one. So it should be a good whistling. Should be a waveform which is really similar to a sound wave, and you copy and paste whatever being stored over here, and then to the Excel sheet, and then just plot it. So I'm going to show you the workflow for this task. Okay, so I'm going to press this one, but before that I would start playing this whistle, and I prefer the whistle from time second 2, the second over here, because it's more constant whistling. So I'm going to do that. So I want to turn on this video first. Before I press it, I've turned it on. I want to restart it right away. Okay. Okay. So now the data is available. You can see that I just skipped this one because it just failed. But this one is pretty successful. So I'm gonna just copy and paste this part. You can do a Control C, and then go to the Excel sheet here, and then go to data to split it. Just press next and finish, and now you can select all the data over here. Okay, and then go to insert, plot it, plot. So you can see it's very similar to the sound wave. If you can reach to this point, which means it's running properly. Okay.